Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 9, chapter number 9. Today we will discuss about the states of equilibrium, and there are three states of equilibrium: stable equilibrium, unstable, and neutral equilibrium. A body may be in one of these three states of equilibrium. Now we start with example. We will discuss first stable equilibrium. Consider we have a book laying on a table. Tilt the slightly about its outer edge by lifting it from its opposite side as shown in the figure. This position when sets free, इसको जब हम फ्री छोड़ेंगे तो such a state of a body is called a stable equilibrium. When a body is in stable equilibrium, its center of gravity is at its lower position. When it is tilt, its center of gravity rises. It returns to its stable by lowering its center of gravity. A body remains in stable equilibrium as long as the center of gravity acts through the बेस ऑफ द बॉडी. तो इससे पता चला हमें कि जैसे ही एक बुक पहले टेबल पे पड़ी हुई है तो आप देख सकते हैं कि इसका जो टेबल के साथ ही पॉइंट है यहाँ पे इसका सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी है, ये एक्टलाइज कर रहा है. और जैसे मैं इसको थोड़ी सी फोर्स लगा के इसको एक आउटर एड से ऐसे ऊपर उठाऊंगा तो क्या होगा कि ये वाला जो सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी है ये इसकी इस बेस से बाहर नहीं जाएगा. तो अगर ये इस बेस से इसकी बाहर नहीं जाएगा तो इसका मतलब हुआ कि इसका सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी इस बुक के अंदर ही कहीं पे लाइज कर रहा है. ठीक है, तो इसकी जो आप ये लाइन बनाएंगे तो लाइन बना के अगर डिनोट करना चाहते हैं इसको जब अपवर्ड उठाएंगे तो ये लाइन यूं बन जाएगी. तो ये इसकी बेस के अंदर रहेगा. और जब तक किसी भी पॉइंट का या किसी भी चीज़ का सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी उसके अंदर लाइज करेगा तो जब आप उसको दोबारा छोड़ोगे तो दोबारा ये अपनी असली कंडीशन में वापस चले जाएगा, यानी कि ये वाली कंडीशन में. तो इस स्टेट को हम क्या बोलते हैं? इस स्टेट को हम स्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम बोलते हैं. तो इसकी डेफिनेशन हमारे पास कुछ यूँ है. A body is said to be in stable equilibrium if after a slight tilt it returns to its previous position, and that is known as a stable equilibrium. Now we will discuss about the second state of equilibrium. Take a pencil and try to keep it in a vertical position on its tip as shown in the figure. Whenever you leave it, the pencil tops over about its tip and fall down. This is called the unstable equilibrium. In unstable equilibrium, a body may be made to stay only for a moment. Thus, a body is unstable to keep itself in the state of unstable equilibrium. Here we can see that here in the first position, pencil just balance at its tip when its center of gravity at the highest position. No, here we can say that when we leave it, then the center of gravity just behind the tip. Here you can see that the center of gravity is away from the base. That is why the center of gravity becomes in that position. That's why pencil topples over caused by the torque of its weight acting at a g, and that state is known as a unstable equilibrium. By this example, we can conclude that the exact definition of the unstable equilibrium: if a body does not return to its previous position when sets free after a slightest tilt, it is said to be in unstable equilibrium. And here is a definition. Now we will discuss about the third one, and the third one is a neutral equilibrium. Neutral equilibrium. Take a ball and place it on a horizontal surface as shown in the figure. Roll the ball over the surface and leave after it displacing from its previous position. It remains in its new position and does not return to its previous position. This is known as a neutral equilibrium. In the neutral equilibrium, all the new states in which a body is moved are the stable states and the body remains in its new state. In neutral equilibrium, the center of gravity of the body remains at the same time. Okay, that is as we know that is known as a center of gravity, and here you can see that the center of gravity is lies in the center. In every condition we can say that the center of gravity does not away from its base, it always lies in its base. That's why every state is in a new state. That why this is called a neutral equilibrium. In we can say in neutral equilibrium, the center of gravity of the body remains at the same height irrespective to the new position. That are various objects which have a neutral equilibrium, such as a ball, sphere, a ruler, a pencil laying horizontal, and egg laying horizontal on the flat surface. These are the example, and here is the main definition. If a body remains in its new position when disturbed from its previous, it is said to be in a state of a neutral equilibrium. और ये था हमारा आज का